Today we're on the East Coast, we're in Rockaway Beach, and a buddy of mine asked me to fix his longboard, and we have a little rail thing here. It's thin and lightweight, this board, but you can see how soft it is. A lot of times you got to cut out a lot more than you think. You make sure it's all dry. This has been laying out in the sun for a while. It's nice and dry. Just gonna take a sander, scuff it up. We're gonna add our Q-cell. You mix it up really good, then you add your hardener. So now with the tape, I'm just gonna cup it, and I'll hold it in place. Then we just wrap the tape around. And we'll sand the excess later when it dries.